Immobiliser fit, and this is a Starline Pro on a 2018 Range Rover Sport. So a thief got this key, drilled the hole in the boot, programmed the key and went to steal the vehicle. When they start it up, as soon as they go to drive away, the vehicle's going to cut out and they're going to be unable to drive the vehicle off. As you see, vehicle's cut out, you're going to be unable to drive it. So for the customer, what they can do when they get in the vehicle, they can start the car, go through a code of their choosing. For now, we just have 1, 2, 3. We're going to hear a disarm tone. And now we can select our gear. As you see, the vehicle remains running and we could drive off. If they're not a fan of PIN codes, what they can do is connect up their Bluetooth phone. So if we just grab the customer's phone. Now we've got the customer's phone, just turn the vehicle off. Next time they get in the vehicle, all they've got to do is have their Bluetooth on. Phone can be locked in their pocket, get in and start. System disarms just using the phone simply. They can select their gear, drive away, no need to waste time doing a code. Customer can choose their own code, obviously unique to them. For the video, we just did a simple 3 presses, but this can be up to a maximum of 21 on any supported buttons. It can be a combination of multiple. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.